Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So dear students, in the previous class we discussed that regarding LibreOffice, the word processing. So the LibreOffice, right? In the LibreOffice, already we know that how to open the LibreOffice. So still, okay, right. So the LibreOffice, what is the LibreOffice? LibreOffice is a one kind of, the word processing software. Just like Microsoft Word, the LibreOffice is also a word processing software. In that LibreOffice, we have the LibreOffice Writer. We have LibreOffice Writer. So LibreOffice Writer is like a Microsoft Word, right? So to create the documentation, so that is digital documentation. So here, so in the previous class we discussed regarding that all, and today we will see regarding the user interface of LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so user interface of LibreOffice Writer. So right now you can look at the screen, students. Right now, whatever the display on the screen, what you are seeing is a complete, it is an user interface of LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so LibreOffice Writer and Microsoft Word have these two softwares have a similar, that functions we have, the commands we have, but the appearance of the command or the way of using of command will be different. But at the end of the day, what we'll see, the both they have the same functionality. Okay, so first of all we'll see in the user interface, as we know that regarding first one, that is title bar. Okay, so I will zoom the screen, you can observe, right. Okay, so here the untitled, the topmost row, we call it as title bar. The topmost row we call it as a title bar. So here we have untitled one, LibreOffice Writer, right? So the topmost of the bar, this is called a title bar. Okay, so why this title bar? The title bar is used to display the title of the document, right? So right now, what is the title of this document? By default we have untitled one. Who has given this name? Who has given this name, untitled one? This is by default, right? Whenever you open the LibreOffice Writer, by default you will get the untitled is the name, default name. So later you can change it. So it's the title bar, or the title of the document is an user interface. You can give any name for this document. So the name you will give for the file, so that name will be visible in the title bar, right? So this is regarding title bar. Next, come to the point, that is this part, this complete portion, we call it as a ribbon part. This complete portion we call it as ribbon part. Okay, so what it has ribbon? The ribbon has so many different kinds of tabs. The tabs like file tab, edit tab, view tab, insert tab, format, styles, table, form, tools, window, help. So these are the tabs, we call it as tabs. What is the use of tab? The each tab, whenever you click on each and every tab, you have a different commands. We have different commands. So click on edit tab, we have different commands. View tab, so many commands will be visible. Insert, number of commands will be there. Format, different kinds of commands will be there. Styles, table, forms, tools, windows, right? So these are the different tabs. In each and every tab we have so many commands. Okay, so this is regarding ribbon part. Okay, so next is, if you come to the below the ribbon, this line we call it as a ruler, right? So this line we call it as a ruler, right? This line we call it as ruler. What is the use of ruler? Ruler is used to define the margin of the document, margin of the page. Okay, and next, this is the white page, the white area, this white area. Okay, this is the entire white area, we call it as, right, working area, we call it as working area. Okay, and at last, here we have that is status bar. Okay, so this portion we call it as status bar. So what is status bar? Status bar is used to view the status of the page, right? Like number of words, how many words you have entered, how many characters are, the count of the character, the count of the words will be visible here in status bar. And as well as page one of one, in the sense you are currently you are in which page and how many pages you have created in the document, so that details will be available in the status bar. Okay, so this is regarding status bar. And next we have sidebar and toolbar. Okay, and next we have different kinds of views. Okay, so regarding that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.